Hello everyone, so we're going to do an integration by parts problem. In this case, we're going to see the integral of x times e x elevated to x divided by 2 dx. You can see my notes in the description below. I have it as a PDF if you want to go and follow up with me. But what I'm going to recommend start doing first is identify liate. So in this case, algebra goes first before the exponential. So I'll begin and do, okay, my u in this case will be x, and the derivative of u will be dx. And my dv will be the rest of the function, so x divided by 2, and don't forget the dx. And my b will be the integral of that, so the integral of e will be e, and the integral of this will be just 2. Okay, and then we can say, we can continue our problem, and then we can identify our formula. So we can say, okay, the integral of u dv equals vu minus the integral of b du. And so we can copy our first function, which will be the integral of x e elevated to x elevated to x divided by 2 dx, and then or v in this case will be 2 ex divided by 2, and then or u will be x minus, and then the integral of b again 2 ex divided by 2, and then or du will be dx. So what I recommend here is make this pretty. So I'll make a comment here and put make pretty, and then by what I mean by this is we can put the 2 out, right? Because we're not integrating the 2. So we can say, okay, this equals to 2e elevated to x divided by 2 times x minus, and then 2, and then x into the integral of ex divided by 2, and then dx. And then here we can now integrate this, and I'm gonna make a comment here with this color and say, okay, so the integral of ex divided by 2 dx equals, well, we did this here, so I mean kind of like, so it's the same thing. So it's just, e and then 2. And then from here we can say, okay, we continue our problem. So 2x e, I'm moving the x there, okay? So 2x times e x divided by 2 minus, and then 2, and then here I multiply what I integrate, 2e x divided by 2 below, right? And then plus c. And then, after integrating, our answer for this problem should be 2 times x, e x divided by 2, and then minus, and then 2 times 2 is just 4, and so same thing, we copy, and this should be our final answer. Oops, I'm just doing this wrong. All right, this should be your final answer. As I said, I have this problem in the description below, and if you want to subscribe, please do so, and thank you for watching.